To transfer to Crypto.com wallet, start by downloading and installing the Crypto.com app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and create an account if you don't already have one. If you do have an account, simply log in with your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Wallet section of the app. Here you will see a list of all the available cryptocurrencies you can transfer to your Crypto.com wallet. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For example, Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next, tap on the Receive button and the app will generate a unique wallet address for you. This address is where you will send your cryptocurrency from an external wallet or exchange. Make sure to copy the address correctly, as sending cryptocurrency to the wrong address can result in loss of funds. Now, go to the external wallet or exchange where your cryptocurrency is currently held and initiate a transfer to the wallet address you copied earlier. Enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. Depending on the blockchain network, it may take some time for the transaction to be confirmed. You can track the status of your transaction in the Crypto.com app. Once the transaction is confirmed, the cryptocurrency will be added to your Crypto.com wallet. It is essential to note that each cryptocurrency has its own unique wallet address. So make sure to use the correct address for the cryptocurrency you are transferring. Additionally, be aware of any transfer fees associated with transferring cryptocurrency to your Crypto.com wallet. In conclusion, transferring to a Crypto.com wallet is a straightforward process that requires creating an account, generating a wallet address, and initiating a transfer from an external wallet or exchange. By following these steps and being mindful of the key concepts and best practices, you can easily and securely transfer your cryptocurrency to your Crypto.com wallet.